Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to our channel Amazing Facts with Shahir Asim. Today we want to review about J-11B aircraft. J-11B was finally born in 1995 as a Chinese version of the Soviet-designed Sukhoi Su-27 air superiority fighter after China secured a $2.5 billion production agreement which licensed China to build Su-227 aircraft using Russian supplied kits. Under the terms of agreement, the aircraft would be outfitted with Russian avionics, radar and engines. However, in 2004, Russian media reported that Shenzhen co-production of the basic J-11 was halted after around 100 examples were built. The PLAAF later revealed a mock-up of the upgraded multi-role version of the J-11 in mid-2002. The original J-11B variant incorporates various Chinese material modifications and upgrades to the airframe, which improved manufacturing methods in addition to inclusion of the domestic Chinese technologies such as radars, avionics, suits, weaponry system including anti-ship and air-to-air missiles, presumably for the role of the maritime strike aircraft. China has also worked on the structure of the aircraft to incorporate its maneuvering abilities so that it best suits the role and dive and roll capabilities. The original reason for the sudden stop in the production line of the J-11 was because it could no longer satisfy the Air Force requirements due to the elements such as the obsolete avionics and radar which were structured for the aerial missions. Hence they were not able to fulfill the Air Force requirements of the China's which the same was looking for. J-11B, it's a single seat twin engine jet fighter based on the, as already told you, designed Sukhoi Su-27, and NATO was reporting its name as Falconer Air Superiority Fighter and manufactured by the Shenzhen Aircraft Corporation. The People's Liberation Army Air Force PLAAF of the People's Republic of China PRC is the sole operator of the aircraft. The base J-11A is a fourth generation jet fighter which is intended as a direct competitor to the Western fourth generation fighters such as F-15 Eagle and F-16 Fighting Falcon, which were built by America, USA. China has manufactured enhanced derivatives of Su-27 since mid-1990s when the Shenzhen Aerospace Corporation began to mass produce the J-11B fourth generation air superiority fighter as an enhancement of the original Su which were acquired from China. While the airframe of this platform was almost identical to the original Su-27, avionics, sensors and electronic warfare system were all original, and later production batches also integrated original WS-10A turbofan engines in place of Russian AL-31F. While Chengdu has already completed the development of J-20 as a fifth generation air superiority fighter, the first aircraft of its generation developed anywhere in the world outside the United States. Thank you for listening.